Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be vlogging a couple of days traveling through the Netherlands, including the cities of Utrecht, Delft, Rotterdam and The Hague, so follow along. After the last night of Eureka Week, Rotterdam at night was so beautiful to explore. In the morning, my parents and I did a boat tour through the canals of Rotterdam, and in the afternoon we went to visit the Botanic Garden, which was so beautiful in the sunny weather we got. In the gardens, we also saw this really cute duck family that was feeding the children right in front of us. The next day, I went to the Free Furniture Festival at Erasmus University, and in the afternoon to Delft. The next day we went and visited Utrecht, which by far was my favorite city to visit in the Netherlands. We got extremely lucky with the weather here as well, because it was sunny throughout the whole canal tour we did and after. The day after, we made it to The Hague, or Den Haag as the Dutch say it, to look at the ocean. We did a 1.5 hour walk, and on the way we saw these Highland cows, which were so cute. When we finally made it to the coast, it was so stunning to see all the sand dunes and the Northern Sea, which I had never been to before. On the way back, we passed this forest, which really reminded me of the Shire from the movie The Hobbit. Then I was already back in Rotterdam and went out with some friends that night to the Kralingzee, which was so beautiful, and we watched the sunset. Here's a haul of everything I got these past few days. First off, in this little English bookshop in Utrecht, I got both of these books, which I've been meaning to read for a long time, so they will be added to my TBR. In Delft, I got this really nice ring that I've added to my daily stack of rings. In Delft, I also got this super cute ceramic stand of a bike with Holland on it, which I thought was very fitting for my room. In Utrecht, I got this yarn holder to use for my crochet projects, and I really liked the details on it. Then in Delft, I got this little leather bag that I really like with these long adjustable straps, and this in this beautiful pink color. Then finally in Utrecht, I got this really cute scarf with these details and frills, which I've been wanting for a really long time, and they had it in this olive green color, so I bought it immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.